Hello guys, today we will be performing a code which will connect our database to our Java code. We will be using SQL Server 2008 as our database. So let's begin. We'll create a new simple Java project. It will be Java application. We will be specifying name as let's DB connection. Okay, it's already there. It would be database connection. Click on finish. Now the project has been created. For the communication of jdbc driver, we will be requiring the jdbc jar file, which I already kept in. I will show you the path, but we have to add into our library. So right click on library, add jar folder. Yes, as you can see, I have added the SQL jdbc driver here. You can download from the Microsoft website, and you can keep this at anywhere in your computer. I'm just kept in a Java where Java has been installed. So I will be using SQL jdbc 4.2. Just click on open. So without this driver we cannot connect our program to our database, so it has been added. And one more thing, we will be using SQL Server 2008. So I will be using SQL User, which I have already defined. So I will show you how to connect with SQL User. So let's start our management studio. Yeah, here it opens. Here you can see this is a server name. You can say this is your computer name. It's dev code. Currently it's showing that it's a Windows authentication user, means the user which you are using to log into your computer. You can use this for your connection, or you can use SQL Server authentication mode, in which you have to create the user into your database. So I have already created SQL user. I am going to use this. I will show you how to create a user in SQL Server. So let's connect. So connection has been made. Still loading. Okay, here we got connected. In database, here you can see these are the database where it is restored, or these are the system database which is already created while installation. Demo 1, which is I have created. So I am going to connect our program to this database. So let me show you how to create the SQL user. So go to security tab, in login, right click, new login. Here you can see you have two options, Windows authentication and SQL Server authentication. I am going to create SQL Server user, so I will check this. You will specify the login name here, password, and here below are the options for default database. It shows that the user which you have created, which should be the default database for that user. Currently it is a master database, so it has already created while installation. There are other options also, server roles. Yeah, default public is checked. If you want to add different roles to this user, you can check all this option if you are an admin. And in user mapping, you can specify the user which you have created, which will be having access for which database. So I need the access for all database, so you will check all the database. There is no such squirrel level, you can just leave it. Status, you can grant the permission. Okay, and you will just create okay, and it will be created. I already have been created, so I was just showing your demo. Okay, back to coding. Yes, so I will be requiring a string variable, so I am just creating con okay dbcon and okay I will be requiring the connection class, so I will be importing import dot java dot sql dot connection. So we will requiring class dot phone name function where we specify the driver details. Okay, it would be I using the SQL server, so we will specify com dot microsoft dot SQL server dot jdbc dot SQL server driver. Okay, so this is the statement for the driver. For Oracle you will be using different statement, or this is for the SQL server. I will show in a black, it will be bold. Okay, let's change the font size so you will be able to view it properly. Fonts string, let's change to blue. Okay, yes, now the string has been, see, we will be using connection object, so I will create one connection con. Here connection con will be driver manager dot get connection. Here we specify dbcon, so we have not specified a dbcon value, so let's, it will be the value, it will be jdbc colon sql server colon /. Here will be your system name, so I have dev code colon 1433 is a default database with semicolon. Will be specified database name equal to demo1, user will be SQL user which I have created, and password equal to SQL admin which I have specified. Let's check. So this is a JDBC driver which is SQL server /, this will be their computer name with the port number 1433 which is default used by SQL server. You will specify the database name demo1, user SQL user, password. As I am using SQL user, so I am specifying this. If you don't want, if you use Windows authorization mode, so just remove this thing user and password, and you can just add, I will show you, it's integrity security is equal to true. So instead of user and password you will just write integrity security is equal to true. So okay, so let's check if the connection has been created or not. So we will check if con is not equal to null. If it happens, means database has been connected successfully. We will display a message. Connected, else error while connecting. see what is that expected. Okay, it's not equal to null. Okay, if any exception occur, we will handle. So using e.print like this, it will give you the proper description. So for database connectivity, first you will need jar file, and you will specify the connection string. So it will be jdbc SQL Server, your computer name with the port number, database name, user and password. If you are using Oracle, or it will be different string. And if you are using Windows login, so see, it will be the integrated security is equal to true, and here is the driver address com.microsoft.sqlserver.jdbc.sql server driver. Okay, let's check if it is properly done or not. Just click on run. Okay, the output is getting. Okay, I got some exception here. Class not found com.microsoft.sqlserver.jdbc.sql server driver. Okay, let's check what is the issue. Okay, so something went wrong in this string, so check com.microsoft.jdbc. okay, here SQL will be in caps letter QL. So let's run once again. So as you can see, the connected message has been displayed. It means it has been successfully connected with our database. If you want to connect your database, Oracle database with your Java, you can prefer my next video, which is going to be I will be uploading by next. Okay, thanks for the watching.